Hey guys, welcome back. So it's that time. It's getting warmer. Yay! So I'll be going to Miami soon, and I just bought some things on Venus.com and I wanted to share with you guys. First up is this super cute maxi dress. The back is like this. Obviously I won't wear this kind of bra, but you know, really cute. It goes all the way down. It has this really cute split, which I love. It's very stretchy, it's very comfortable. I like comfortable clothing, especially in the heat. And then when I'm traveling, I like easy clothes. I like where it's easy to pack and quick for me to just slip it on and be out all my day. So that's this. It comes in 2 shades, I believe. I think it's like a blue aqua feel for it, but I like the brown. I got the brown because I don't have anything like this. So super cute. Next is this other maxi dress I got from Lunoli boutique. Ms. Des, I'm sorry if I butchered your business name, my bad, but I will link it down below. She always has cute things, and it's very simple. Tie-dye, goes all the way down again, but not as low as the brown one. Again, very comfortable, stretchy, my type of vibe. I don't like to be tight in clothing sometimes, especially like I said in the heat. You know, I want to be able to breathe. She always has sales too, which I love. I mean, who doesn't love a sale? And this next one is a jumper. Oh my god, the softest material ever. I kid you not. So soft. I love it. It's a short jumper. Whee! I'll show you the full in a sec, but I love this. It's so comfortable. It's super soft. I don't know what fabric this is, Ms. Des, but you nailed it with this one. Love it, love it. This may be more of a summer outfit because it's shorts, but you know, maybe you can rock it in the spring if you're not a cold person like I am. But anyways, all right, another top from Lunoli boutique. As you can see, I love the floral. I don't know why, I just love flowers. But again, material is great. It's super great quality. It's a little bit of a longer shirt, like to my hips, which I love because I like hiding my stomach and the girls, you know. All right, well, this guy played me a little bit. I thought it came with the shirt underneath because that's how they pictured it in the catalog. But this is from Venus too. I guess I'll wear it like this, like, you know, under my bathing suit. But it's really cute. It ties right here. Yeah, I guess this is a bathing suit piece. They had it with like a cami underneath, so I thought it came with a cami, but damn, I got played. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and be on the lookout for my next ones. Peace out.